Pag feel kong hindi mutual, hindi ko pinapursue. Parang feeling ko parang playtime lang, hindi ko na tinatayaan.
Kasi double whammy pag iniwan kayo, double yung sakit eh.
Tsaka yan, sabi ng psych ko sa akin, having a relationship should be an addition, not a subtraction. Dapat nag-grow ka as a person, hindi ka nababawasan. Ganon. Ang minsan siguro, sarili mo lang din talaga yung bubuo sa'yo. Ganon. Matutulungan ka ng ibang tao, pero at the end of the day, they can only do so much. Tsaka siguro yung sa mental health ko, na parang, huwag mong isipin na yun yung katapusan, na hindi na matatapos yung nararamdaman mo. It gets better talaga. Na parang malalampasan mo rin yan. Kasi pag depressed ka, may anxiety ka, iniisip mo wala na eh. Kaya you do impulsive things. Pero pag okay ka na, may isip mo, ba't ko pinili yun? Ba't ko inisip yun? Dapat pala hindi ko ginawa yun.
So yun na natutunan mo sa journey?
Oo, sa journey ko na parang kapag nalulungkot ako, ay matatapos din to. Bukas sasaya din ako. Ganun, oo. Tapos tanggapin mo na hindi ka laging 100%. Hindi araw-araw kailangan lagi kang masaya. Kasi buhay to, hindi to pelikula.
This is me listening and watching to podcast while reviewing.
Reality before is different from the reality that we have now. Bakit kailangan ikumpara yung pinagdaanan nyo sa pinagdaanan namin? Though I understand that it's important to always remember the history to look back because we can definitely learn something. Pero I think it's very unfair naman na kailangan ikumpara yung pinagdaanan nyo sa pinagdaanan namin.
So sometimes kasi parang hindi applicable yung mga gawain before now.
Palagi nga nilang sinasabi, what's true for one is not true for all. Kung yan yung realidad nyo, iba yung sa nabasa mo na naman yan sa likod ng pinto ng CR. Nung may nakalagay, wanted text mate. Tsaka likod ng bus, yung iniipitan ng ticket. So kapag ba sinabi nung panahon namin, sumasakay kami ng kalabaw, papuntang school, nagpulit ako ng kalabaw ngayon. Tapos itadaan mo sa kubaw ilalim.
Change is very constant. Also on the advanced science of technology.
Yes, the only constant in this world is change. Hindi ba lang
They go near sa
synonym. They created a timeline for us na by 20 you already graduated, 25 you already have a stable job, 30 you have to have your family, may mga anak na kayo, dapat may apo na ako. Which for me personally is very unfair because paano naman yung mga gusto ko? Did you even ask me what my passion are, what my plans are? Nakatatak na sa kanila yung mga kagustuhan nila for you which na-appreciate ko naman because they have their ambitions for me. Pero buhay ko to, diba? What about the things that I like? What about the things that I want to achieve first? Kasi for example, kasi I think yan din yung nagiging dahilan ng pressure and anxiety ng mga kabataan ngayon because they are learning and they are aware that their parents are growing old and the pressure na wala pa silang napatunayan kaya nagkaka-anxiety yung mga kabataan kasi wala pa silang napatunayan sa parents nila, palaging pinaparinggan na magtrabaho ka na, yung anak mo magkakaanak ka pa ba, mag-asawa ka ba, kailan ka magbubuntis.
Kasi yun yung
it's the pressure
na early age pa lang, natatrabaho na sila. Unlike now that you really need to study hard, you need to finish studies before you can get the job that you wanted. Right?
Ayun.
Kasi pasok na lang natin, tama yung sinabi niya. Minsan kasi alam mo ang problema, nagawang investment pa mga.
Girl, don't get me started with this.
Yan lang nga. Tama yung sinabi mo, yun yung nagiging problema sa society. Feeling ko, na parang yung parents, masabi na yung skill sa bata na gawin mo to, ganyan kasi
Anak lang.
Pinakain kita.
okay, sa masasabi
Just because first time kong experience yung sex with so much yung nakikipag-love. Alam mo yung nag-eye to eye kayo and then alam mo yung mga caress. Alam mo talaga yung may
Iba na natigyan nila, parang gusto nila gawin yun.
yung may care kumbaga. So my most memorable experience was really with my one and only ex. Tapos pagkatapos mong labasan, sasabihin niya, akin lang yun.
tapos papahiran pa niya, tapos sasabihin niya, nagutom ka. Ha? Kainin kita ulit. Because sex, for me, is a very important thing to do when you're in a relationship.
For you, sobrang important.
It's important. Sige, going back.
Ito, ano hindi
Ay,